4,000 years ago, in the cities of southern Mesopotamia, humanity began to write. Into wet clay, they pressed their questions about the world, about creation, about power, about the forces that govern the sky above them. Among the names they recorded was a collective known as the Anunnaki. They were described as a divine assembly, a council of heaven, custodians of cosmic order. But who were they in the language of the ancient world? This documentary returns to the earliest sources, to the clay tablets, the temple hymns, and the myths of Sumer. It traces the historical evolution of the Anunnaki through Akkadian and Babylonian tradition. It examines how 19th-century archaeology rediscovered their names, and it explores how modern imagination transformed them once again. What do the original texts actually say? How did myth become speculation? And why do these ancient figures continue to capture attention in the present day? Across 5,000 years of history, one truth remains constant. Human beings have always looked upward, searching for order in the sky. This is the story of the Anunnaki, not as legend, not as sensational theory, but as a window into the earliest written reflections on humanity's place in the cosmos. Stay tuned. A new documentary is coming soon.